Hi, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's winter and it's cold. I mean, really cold. And most of us are warm, but not all of us are warm. Furnaces do break down. Some issues need professional help. Other issues are super simple to fix. Let's look at the simplest solutions. First, I want to say that if any of my clients are ever cold, I got their back. If these following steps don't help and the HVAC companies are backlogged, I own 3 big construction heaters and almost a half dozen smaller space heaters. Come to me, borrow my heaters free. You won't be cold. Before you come grab the heaters, let's see if it's a super simple fix. Most modern furnaces have a status light that displays a diagnostic code. The exact flash pattern varies from furnace to furnace. Look on the panels for a handy reference guide for the fault condition. If the reference guide is missing, Google your furnace. These diagnostic codes will help you identify what's wrong. No light? Either your furnace is older or you might have a power issue. The good thing about older furnaces is that they're generally easier to troubleshoot and the parts are cheaper. However, they're not quite as efficient. Before we do more, furnaces are like most modern AM electronics. They have a computer board. How often have you fixed your computer by simply turning it off and on again, rebooting it? Look for a switch located near the furnace, turning it off and on again, rebooting the furnace. If there appears to be no power at all, you might have a blown fuse. To check the fuse, open both upper and lower furnace door covers and you'll see the computer board. Locate the small automotive fuse. It's usually between 2 to 5 amps. If you don't have a spare, scavenge from your car. You need a working furnace more than power windows. A minority of furnaces have a breaker. If nothing changes, you might have a tripped breaker. Simple fix. Check, replace, or even temporarily remove the furnace filter. A dirty filter or overly restricted filter can trigger the high limit switch. When the furnace is working, if not enough air is blowing across the heat exchanger, it can trigger the high limit switch. Essentially, things get hot. For safety, it shuts down. Filters should be replaced regularly, but we all forget. Alternatively, the issues might be something completely else and more of a technology smartphone issue. Check the settings in the app. Here is my old programmable thermostat. It has batteries, and many programmable thermostats become unreliable as the batteries die. 2 new AA's might fix things. Now, let's go outside and look at the most common exterior issue impacting your furnace. Ice buildup on the exhaust. Warm, moist exhaust air leaves will condense and oftentimes then freeze. All of this ice buildup can actually block the exhaust and the furnace will shut down. It's a safety feature. The good news is that it's an easy fix. We knock the ice off and the furnace can breathe again. Check and make sure that it's all breathing easily and it's soft. After this, the problems and the solutions get more complex. While a dirty flame sensor might only take 30 seconds to fix, you have to be comfortable working inside of the furnace. Same with a blower replacement or a limit switch. If these items didn't fix the situation, you'll likely have to call a professional. And come grab my extra electric heaters. I'll be waiting for you. Keep warm. See you next time.